we are discussing about the animal tissues. In the last video, we have seen the epithelial tissue. There are four types of tissues in animals. Epithelial tissue, that are the covers of the body or the organs. Second, connective tissue, which connect the different parts of the body with each other. Third will be the muscular tissue, all the muscles of the body. And the fourth we have seen, that is the nervous tissue, that is the neurons which conduct the impulses from one place to another. Today we are going to see about the connective tissue. What is connective tissue? Connective tissue means the tissue which connects the body parts. वो टिश्यू जो बॉडी के शरीर के एक ऑर्गन को दूसरे ऑर्गन से, एक टिश्यू को दूसरे टिश्यू से जोड़ता है. That's why we call this tissue as a connective tissue. So connective tissue is widely spread in our body. हमारे बॉडी में हर जगह connective tissue है. जैसे this finger is made up of three pieces. This is one piece, this is another, this is third. So these three pieces are connected. That means there is a connective tissue. So what is a bone? Bone is a connective tissue. The blood which flows throughout the body, the blood which is present here, the same blood is here. That means the blood is connecting the parts of the body. So blood, bone, cartilage, these are all connective tissues which support the body, which connect the body parts and provide strength to the body. They are called the connective tissues. So connective tissues which are made up of the cells. Different types of cells are there and different types of fibers are there, because the fibers are needed for the strength, to provide rigidity, hardness, stiffness. The fibers are needed. So different kinds of cells are suspended in a fluid that is called the matrix, and the fluid may be liquid form, may be solid, may be semi-solid. So different, maybe jelly-like. So different types of matrix will be there, and in that matrix the cells will be suspended. For example, if you see, this is the matrix, and in this matrix the cells will be suspended. So this matrix is of different types, maybe jelly-like, maybe little hard, maybe fibrous. So sometimes the strong fibers may be there, sometimes elastic fibers may be there. So different kinds of fibers are there. So this is the connective tissue which is connecting the different parts, and there are different kinds of connective tissues. Connective tissues are blood. So blood is our connective tissue which flows from one part of the body to another. Then bone is the connective tissue. The hardest part of our body is a bone. So bone is a connective tissue. Then comes the ligament. Ligaments are the parts, or it is the tissue which connect the two bones. जहाँ दो bones एक दूसरे को जुड़ी हुई है. हमारे suppose this is our hand, तो ये हाथ में एक bone नहीं है. हमारे हाथ में यहाँ एक बोन है, यहाँ एक बोन है, यहाँ एक है, यहाँ एक है, यहाँ एक है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक है. यानी इसका मतलब दिस बोन इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस. तो दो बोन को कनेक्ट करने के लिए जो टिश्यू लगता है, दैट इज लिगामेंट. द फोर्थ इज टेंडॉन्स. व्हाट आर टेंडॉन्स? अब बोन का जो मूवमेंट है, दिस बोन इज मूविंग, दिस बोन इज कमिंग टू दिस बोन. That means this bone is showing movement. तो ये bone movement क्यों कर रही है? Because of muscles. तो ये muscles इसको खींच रही है. तो muscles bone को connected, and muscles which are connected to bone, these connections are due to the fiber-like structures, the thread-like structures which are called tendons. So what are tendons? Tendons connect bone to muscles. Ligaments connect bone to bone, and tendons connect bone to muscles. Then comes the cartilage. What is cartilage? अब ये जो दो bones है, suppose in our arm, here one bone and another bone, तो ये दो bone के बीच में एक padding होता है. जैसा ये चौक है, और ये दूसरा चौक है, तो ये दो चौक एक दूसरे को ऐसे घसेंगे। अगर मैं ऐसा बेंड करता हूँ तो दे विल रब ईच अदर सरफेस। तो इसके लिए क्या होता है, इसके बीच में एक पैड दिया जाता है। सपोज आई कीप दिस पार्ट ऑफ द पेज, इफ आई कीप वन पीस, और suppose some piece is kept here, suppose I put this part, and if I keep it like this, so this will become the movement will become soft, the movement becomes soft। तो ये जो बीच में है दो बोन का एक दूसरे से घर्षण होना नहीं चाहिए, फ्रिक्शन होना नहीं चाहिए, स्मूथनेस प्रोवाइड होना चाहिए, उसके लिए यहाँ पर होता है कार्टिलेज। दो बोन के बीच में पैड का वर्क करता है, सो दैट द बोन्स विल नॉट रब ईच अदर सरफेस, देयर विल बी नो वेयर एंड टेयर। सो दिस इज कार्टिलेज। देन कम्स द एरियोलर टिश्यू विच इज प्रेजेंट अंडर आवर स्किन, एंड एडिपोज टिश्यू विच इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर बॉडी where the fats are deposited, so it is a fatty tissue. If you see in details, the first we are going to see is the blood. So blood is a connective tissue, so this is blood. If we see this is blood, the blood is a connective tissue which is consisting of the fluid matrix। ये जो matrix है, इसमें जो matrix है that is fluid, it is a fluid matrix, and in this fluid matrix the cells are suspended, the cells are suspended। What kind of cells are there? As we know, RBCs, WBCs and platelets, three types of cells, or we can call them corpuscles। We have seen in the earlier classes that the matrix which is present here, that matrix which is a fluid part is called the plasma, and what is the percentage of plasma? 55%, and the cellular component is 45%. So the blood is a fluid connective tissue which contains the fluid part, that is plasma, and in this plasma the cells are suspended, and these cells they perform different functions। So here no fibers are there, इसमें fibers नहीं होते क्योंकि ये fluid है, ये liquid condition में है, so no fibers are there। And the cells which are present here, RBCs which are also called the erythrocytes, WBCs which are called leukocytes, and platelets which are called thrombocytes। And we know the functions। RBCs का function क्या है? To supply oxygen, respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide का transport। WBCs, it is a defense of our body which helps in maintaining the immune power, immunity of your body, and protection from the different infections and the diseases। And platelets, they are helpful in the clotting mechanism। Whenever there is injury, it helps in forming a clot, and further flow of the blood is restricted। So this is our blood, and in plasma the different kinds of substances are there: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, hormones, waste materials। All these things are transported from one place to another, so that is the function of plasma। Plasma, the blood is said to be the river, and the blood flows, that is the plasma flows, and along with this plasma the hormones, the sugars, the lipids, the amino acids, the waste material, urea, uric acid, the substances they flow, and whatever organ needs it, that organ will get the material, and the waste material will be transported to the excretory organs like kidney। So here this is the blood which is connective tissue, which is a liquid connective tissue। Second is our bone। Bone is the connective tissue। Bone is the hard part of our body, and if you see, this is a bone। If this is a bone here, this is bone। Bone is the hard part of our body, and it forms the framework। हमारे बॉडी का जो शेप है, that is because of the bones। पहले bone का, if the muscles and the other tissues are taken out, then skeleton will remain। हड्डियों का ढांचा, and this हड्डियों का ढांचा is giving the shape to your body, so it is a framework, It is a basic framework of our body where the muscles and the other tissues are attached and the body gets the form. So जिस आकार का आपका skeleton होगा उस आकार का आपका शरीर बनेगा. So it is a framework of our body. It is the hardest part which provides support to your body. Bones help in protection of the organs. हमारे हार्ट के आजू बाजू में thoracic cage है and that thoracic cage protects the heart from the injury. Lungs, they are delicate organs, तो lungs को protection लगता है. So the thoracic cage, जो thoracic cavity है उसके अंदर lungs है, that means lungs are well protected. Brain needs a great protection, so the cranial cavity is there, cranium is there. This head bone, that is called the skull bone or cranium, that protects the brain. So whatever delicate organs present in our body, spinal cord, जो पाठीचा कणा जो आहे, that is all protected with the help of the vertebrae. Vertebraच्या मधून जातो तो. So vertebral column it protects, which is made up of the bones. So it gives shape to the body, and moreover, the bones help. It provides place for the attachment of muscles. Bone को what is attached here? Muscles. Bones ला muscles attached असतात. This is muscle. This is muscle. So muscles are attached to the bone, and over the muscles, what we see, there is skin. This is skin. So our skin is there. Skin के नीचे है muscles और muscles के नीचे है bone. So bone को muscle चिपक के है और bone को muscles चिपक के, that means the bones they provide surface for the attachment of muscles. So bones they protect the body, protect the organs, they provide the surface for the attachment to the muscles. Bone is the storehouse of calcium. हमारे body में calcium is very essential. Calcium is needed for clotting of the blood. कैल्शियम का रोल ब्लड के क्लॉटिंग में है. इफ द कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी इज देयर देन द ब्लड क्लॉटिंग टाइम विल डिले. सो द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ कैल्शियम, कैल्शियम अगर कम हो जाता है बॉडी में तो बोन में हमारे स्टोर हाउस है. बोन से कैल्शियम निकाल के हमारे ब्लड में उसके रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी की जाती है. सो द बोन इज द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ कैल्शियम और गोडाउन ऑफ कैल्शियम. देन बोन मॅरो, बोन मॅरो हाडाच्या आतला जो गर आहे, हड्डी के बीच में एक कैविटी होती है एंड दैट कैविटी इज फिल्ड विथ अ टिश्यू, तो इसको कहते हैं बोन मैरो. बोन मैरो, किसी भी हड्डी को अगर देखते हैं तो उसके बीच में एक होल होता है एंड दैट होल इज अ बोन मैरो कैविटी. इसके अंदर जो फ्लूइड भरा हुआ होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द बोन मैरो, एंड दिस बोन मैरो इज अ हीमोपोएटिक टिश्यू. हीमोपोएटिक टिश्यू, हीमोपोएटिक मीन्स ब्लड फॉर्मेशन. यहाँ ब्लड बनता है. हमारे शरीर का जो ब्लड है वो बोन मैरो में बनता है. दैट मीन्स बोन इज हेल्पफुल इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड. सो दिस बोन, अब ये बोन का अगर स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए, इफ यू कट द बोन, सो बोन हैज गॉट द आउटर पार्ट, दिस इज द इनर कैविटी, और ये आउटर पार्ट हो गया बोन का. सो दिस पार्ट इज हार्ड, ये हार्ड पार्ट है. हार्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस के सॉल्ट्स है इसमें और डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स है. कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट है, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड के कंपोनेंट्स है, फॉस्फेट के कंपोनेंट्स है, कैल्शियम के कंपोनेंट्स है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट कंपाउंड्स दिस पार्ट बिकम्स हार्ड, और ये है सॉफ्ट पार्ट, और ये है बोन मैरो कैविटी. दिस इज बोन मैरो कैविटी. आउटर जो लाइनिंग होती है इसकी कवरिंग, that is called the periosteum. This is called the periosteum. Osteo word जहाँ आता है समझ जाना bone, क्योंकि bone cell को कहते हैं osteocytes. Bone cells are called osteocytes. Osteo means bone, cyte means cells. So this is periosteum, and this inner layer is called the endosteum. ये अंदर की है इसलिए endosteum, ये बाहर की है इसलिए periosteum. और इसके बीच में जो हार्ड टिश्यू है दैट कंटेन्स डिफरेंट हैवर्शियन कैनॉल्स होती है इसके अंदर में, और ये हैवर्शियन कैनॉल्स के अंदर होती है बोन सेल्स, बहुत सारी बोन सेल्स. बोन सेल्स आर कॉल्ड द ऑस्टियोसाइट्स. अब ये ऑस्टियोसाइट्स जो है These bone cells, they are suspended in this matrix. ये है matrix और matrix is filled with the compounds of calcium and phosphorus. इसके compound से भरा होता है, इसलिए ये part hard हो जाता है. So this is our bone which helps in protection, giving shape to the body organs, and it is a blood forming tissue or it is a hemopoietic tissue. So today we have covered the two, that is blood and bone. In the next video we will continue with this connective tissues. Thank you.